How to earn 1 lakh rupees per day from the stock market? Of course, it is possible to earn 1 lakh rupees per day from the stock market by just indulging in it. Achieving this target day after day is not easy for experienced investors and traders, but it requires a lot of hard work and patience as well as quick thinking as well as appropriate decision-making skills. The stock market is well known for its ability to generate high returns and has a very complex environment, but can also be unpredictable at times. Thus, it is easily possible to earn that much money each day from the share market. Different ways to achieve the target of 1 lakh rupees per day from the stock market. Here is the list of ways through which you can earn rupees 1 lakh from the stock market per day. Delivery trading. Delivery trading is a very common form of trading in the stock market. In this type of trading, you will buy the shares of the company from your trading account, and once your buy order is executed, the company will automatically deliver those shares to your demat account within 2 days. After the shares are delivered to your demat account, you can then sell those shares at any point in time when you feel right. This is a very good way to trade, but this might not be a good way to trade if you expect to make returns of 1 lakh rupees daily. This is simply due to the fact that there is a time delay here of 2 days from the date you have purchased your shares and then to actually get them delivered to your demat account. Also, like how to make money in the stock market. Intraday trading. This trading is the buying and selling of the shares of the company on the very same day. The concept of T2 days is not applicable here, and the entire share delivery process is completed within the same trading day. Here, you will not need a demat account, but you will need a trading account. Traders while trading will have to select the option of intraday or MIS while placing their buy and sell orders. If you forget to select this option, then the order will be converted into a delivery trade. This type of trading has a higher chance of delivering quick returns because you can place multiple orders within a day, but there are chances that the amount of return may not be as high as your trading amount. Derivatives trading. If you really wish to earn 1 lakh rupees per day from the stock market, then the best way to trade is to trade through derivatives. This type of trading of shares, such as futures and options, is more complex and will require in-depth research before you just start trading. One of the main advantages of derivative trading is that you will not have to pay the entire amount of investment, but rather only a small amount, which is known as the margin. This trade will also allow you to purchase more contracts than the normal trade. Derivatives carry a very high risk-reward ratio, and they are something that only experienced individuals would wish to go for.
Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more informative videos.